Good afternoon to all of you. Today I am going to start new chapter in division. My first question is, what is division? Division means equal distribution or equal sharing of things. If 45 students are meant to be in group, means are divided into groups of 5 children each. Five children in each group. Then my question is, how many groups can be made? How many groups can be made? There are 45 students or 45 children, and 5 children or 5 students are in one group, means in a group there are 5 children. Then how many groups can be can be made? For this you have to read the table of 5. Either you can read the table of 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20, 5 5 is 25, 5 6 is 35, 7 is 35, 5 8 is 45, 9 is 45. Means 9 times you can read the table of 5. In this way you can find that 9 groups are made. Generally it is expressed as 45 and divided by 5, which is equal to 9. The number 45 which is divided is called dividend. And the number 5 by which the number 45 is divided is called divisor. And the number means the answer which comes out is called quotient. If we take 48 children, and we make the group of 5 children of each in each group, then the number it can be proceed as 48 divided by 5, and 48 you divide by long division method. 5 9 ja 45, remainder 3. then 48 will be dividend, 9 is quotient, 5 is divisor, and 3 is called quotient, remainder. Three is a remainder. In this way, in a division, there are 4 terms come: dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder. The division can be also checked by formula dividend equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus a remainder. Means by this you can check your division. For example, if you have divided 48 by 5, your quotient is 9 and remainder is 3. You can check your answer is right or wrong. Check. According to dividend, divisor multiplied by quotient plus a remainder. Now your divisor is 5, quotient is 9 and remainder is 3. You see that 9 5 are 45 plus 3, that is 48. Means your divisor 48 comes. Your divisor 48 comes. It means you can check by this formula. So, in this way, division is equal sharing or equal distribution. This is the process of division. Division is also a repeated subtraction. If you subtract 5 from 45, how many times you can subtract? If you subtract repeatedly, you will see that 9 times it can be subtracted. How many times you are subtracting, that will be your quotient. And after that, at last, when subtraction is over and if any number comes less than the divisor in this case, then this number is known as a remainder. Okay, thank you.